Deep in the shadows of a forgotten barn, a legend lies dormant, buried under years of neglect and thick layers of dust. Today, we bring this Lamborghini Huracán LP 610-4 back into the light for the first time in a decade. Even through the grime, the aggressive lines of Italian engineering are unmistakable. This is a diamond in the extremely rough. Our expert mechanic begins the initial assessment. The goal is simple: determine if this V10 masterpiece can ever roar again. The tires are dry-rotted, and the suspension is caked in mud. Nature has tried its best to reclaim this supercar. Opening the door reveals a cockpit frozen in time. The scent of mold and old leather fills the air. Every button and switch tells a story of abandonment. It's a total restoration project, starting from the ground up. Now for the heart of the beast. We lift the engine cover to reveal the legendary 5.2-liter V10 engine. Corrosion has set in on the cooling lines, and the wiring harness shows signs of rodent damage. It's a mess. We begin the deep clean. High-pressure water strips away years of filth, revealing the vibrant yellow paint hidden beneath. Seeing the Huracan's true colors return is the first victory in what will be a long and difficult journey. Beneath the bodywork, the chassis inspection begins. We're looking for structural integrity and hidden rust points. With the wheels off, we can finally access the carbon ceramic brakes and the intricate suspension components. The restoration is officially underway. Every bolt removed brings us one step closer to mechanical perfection. This isn't just a repair, it's a resurrection, a testament to engineering and the refusal to let a legend die. Stay with us as we tear down this Huracan to its bare bones and rebuild it better than the day it left Italy. Loose underbody panels are removed. The exhaust system is cleaned. The engine bay receives a careful, deep clean. Dust is removed from the engine components. The interior is stripped of loose debris. The seats are removed for deep cleaning. The carpet is vacuumed. The dashboard is carefully cleaned. The steering wheel is restored. The instrument cluster is cleaned until the gauges become clear. The damaged exterior panels are removed. The front bumper is detached. The damaged side panel is removed. Scratches and dents are exposed beneath the old paint. The damaged paint is sanded away. The body panel becomes smooth and even. Body filler is applied to the damaged areas. The filler is sanded perfectly smooth. The prepared panels receive a primer coat. The primer dries into a smooth surface. Welcome to the ultimate automotive transformation. Today, we begin the comprehensive restoration of a legendary Lamborghini Huracán LP 610-4. The process starts with the first layer. It requires a steady hand and absolute precision to achieve a factory-perfect finish. Notice how the color flows across the aerodynamic curves, perfectly capturing the light under the controlled conditions of the booth. A second coat is applied, building depth and that iconic wet-look gloss that makes a supercar truly stand out. Now, the panels must cure. Stability and temperature is key to ensuring the paint bonds perfectly to the carbon fiber and aluminum. Once cured, we hand polish every inch. This stage reveals the deep, mirror-like reflections that define luxury restoration. Exterior reassembly begins. We start with the eyes of the beast, the signature LED headlights, restored to peak clarity. Alignment is everything. The front bumper is fitted with surgical precision to maintain the car's aggressive, low-slung profile. Side panels are secured next. Every bolt is torqued to spec, ensuring the structural integrity is as good as new. The rear diffuser and exhaust outlets are mounted, completing the aerodynamic package of this high-performance machine. Moving to the mechanicals, restored brake calipers and rotors are installed, providing the stopping power this V10 engine demands. Finally, the wheels. These polished alloys are the jewelry of the car, perfectly complementing the fresh paintwork. Every detail matters, right down to the tire tread and the flawless finish of the rims. Inside the engine bay, we ensure the heart of the Huracan looks as powerful as it performs. The interior restoration is equally vital. We are reinstalling the premium leather sport seats and the driver-centric dashboard. The steering wheel is aligned, marking the connection between the driver and this incredible piece of machinery. The center console and leather dashboard receive a final treatment, highlighting the rich textures of the Italian craftsmanship. Cleanliness is paramount. A final vacuuming ensures the cockpit is a pristine environment for the next owner. We are in the final stretch. Professional paint correction eliminates even the smallest micro-scratches for a show-stopping finish. A premium protective coating is applied, locking in the shine and protecting the artistry for years to come. One last inspection. Every gap, every curve, and every reflection must be perfect before the reveal. The engine roars to life. It's time for this Lamborghini to leave the workshop and head back to the road. Behold the final result. A masterfully restored Lamborghini Huracan, a perfect fusion of technical precision and automotive art.